Stop scrolling. If you are still using marketing studies from 2015, you are literally leaving thousands of dollars on the tables every month. Back then, marketers could blast generic emails, spam keywords, or run bored Facebook ads and get results. But 2015, it's a completely different battlefield. Today, AI, hyper-targeting, short-form videos, and personalizations dominate and give you the real numbers of case studies and proven studies that will show you the exactly what's replacing 2015 techniques and how you can win big this year. Stick around because I will break it down step by step. Let's look at the what used to work. Email blast 2015 average open rate 20-25%. Source campaign monitors. Board Facebook targeting organic reach average 16% of followers. Keyword stuffing SEO ranking was easier. Google algorithm was fair simpler. First for 2015 email open rates dropped by 17-18% for B2C and 13-15% for B2B. That's nearly 30% less engagement than 2015. Facebook organic reach now averages less than 5%. If you post to 1,000 followers, only 15 see it. Google's algorithm now prioritizes EEAT. Experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trust. Meaning keyword stuffing actually hurts to ranking. Simply put, the old rules are dead. If you really own them, your marketing is not just outdated, it's invisible. Marketing today is hyper-personalized, AI-driven. Here's why. 1. Customer attention are scarce. Average human attention span dropped to 8 seconds in 2023, Microsoft study. That means your world long-form generic content is being ignored instantly. Number 2, AI is everywhere. According to McKinsey, 47% of marketing activities will be automated by AI 2015. By 2025, AI tools now predict customer behavior, write optimized ad copy, and personalize campaigns in real time. Third, short-term video dominates. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels have growth 5 to 7x faster than traditional social posts. VoiceIsAll reports that 92% of marketers stay video in essential for success. Number 4, customer trust and shifting. Anslin found that 92% of people trust recommendations from peers over brands. Micro-influencers now generate 10x higher engagement per dollar spent than celebrity endorsements. So, the marketing landscape has shifted from mass outreach to precision, personalization, and community trust. 1. Ad-powered content and ads tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI help create hyper-personalized campaigns. According to HubSpot, campaigns using AI-generated content increased lead conversion by 37%. Real-world case, a Shopify store using AI product descriptions increased sales by 25% within 3 months. Short-form content. Short-form interactive video marketing average engagement rates for Instagram, Reels, and TikTok 4 to 5x higher than static posts. Brands like Zemos Sharrock show 3x increased website traffic using short-form videos instead of blogs. Number 3. Micro-influencer and community-based marketing. Micro-influencers 10 to 100 followers now outperform micro-influencers in engagement. About 7 versus 2%. Case, a fitness brand used 25 micro-influencers and increased sales by 280% in 6 months. Outperforming previous paid campaigns, hyper-personalized automation, and omni-channel campaigns. Platforms like Klaviyo, HubSpot, and ad campaign allow multi-channel sequence based on user behavior. Example, a sales company increased trial to paid conversion from 8 to 90% by spending behavior-targeted emails and retargeting ads. 5. Data-driven decision making. In 2015, marketers replied on gut feeling or basic analytics. Today, predictive analysis, A/B testing, and funnel optimization drive ROI increase of 25 to 50%. Example, e-commerce brands using real-time analytics reduce ad spend waste by 30% while increasing revenue 2x. Let me give you a personal example. Back in 2023, I ran a campaign using a traditional Facebook targeting and email baits. Engagement was dropping 40% every quarter. I switched to AI-powered and copy micro-targeted audience short-form video ads, personalized automation sequence within the 19 days. Website traffic increased 200%. Email conversion rate tripled, ROI double. The lessons? Data-driven modern techniques crush old school strategies, and the results speak for themselves. Here, step by step to plan, leave 2015 behind. 1. Audit current campaigns, identify outdated techniques, and remove them. 2. Invite in AI tools for content, ads, and personalizations. Number 3. Start producing 2 to 3 short videos per week across TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Number 4. Collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche. Implement behavior automation and analysis for omnichannel marketing. Number 6. Track KPIs weekly and optimize based on real data, not guesswork. Follow those steps and you will outperform marketers still stuck in the post. So if you're ready to detach 2015 marketing techniques and dominate 2025, if you implement those data blog strategies, you will see mesmerizable growth and fast. So like this video if you learn something new. Comment below biggest marketing challenge and subscribe for more high value marketing insights. The future is not waiting and neither should you.